I was wondering how this playpen got to be so messed up. And I think I see the reason. This is Peaches. She loves her kittens. This actually isn't one of her kittens, but she wants to play with him through the playpen. She just got spayed recently and is about to go home to her new home. But she's really attacking this playpen. And this little kitten having a good old time playing with it. And that's why my playpen is a mess every time I come in every morning. That little kitten is just having so much fun. I have to keep the kittens separated until they've been tested. I can't take a chance. It's only 5%, but it has happened to me before, so we keep them separated until they've been tested and let them play with the other ones. But she's having a ball playing with Peaches. So much for that playpen.